Good thing I straightened my hair in this video, so it really looked like.
I know, like Becky. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Hi guys. So this is my friend Emma.
Hello.
And she's going to be doing my hair today. Is this the first time you've done ethnic hair?
No, it is not.
When have you done ethnic hair?
I used to do my ex's hair. I do.
Oh, what'd you do?
Yeah, I'm put conditioner. Yeah, I used to braid his hair and stuff like that.
Oh, you would do the braids?
I didn't do those braids.
Oh.
No, but I would help him like brush his hair out, deep condition and stuff like that. So, yeah.
So
What are we doing?
we are going to do, I think I want to do like a half up, half down, like wash and go style.
But she didn't wash and go her hair.
Yeah, obviously this isn't a wash and
So
go.
I'm reviving the curls on my own.
Yes.
Also, just so y'all know, I do have like wavy curly hair, so I know how to revive my own curls, but I don't know. I've never done her hair like curls.
This is some
like
different texture.
Before. Yeah, completely different texture. My hair is not normally straight, so
I mean,
we'll see what happens.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and be a client.
And she does this hairstyle a lot, so
yeah, I used to.
she used to. Do you want my face to be in it?
No, you could be Wizard Kelly.
Okay, cool. So right now, I'm gonna separate her hair into half up, half down, so I can just get a nice clean line before, you know, I start putting products in her hair and all that stuff.
Okay. I did supply her with a basket of...
Yeah, of what she normally uses.
Yeah.
So we have Eco Styler, we have a spray bottle, we have some oil, some clips, some combs, some...
So I hooked her up. I'm not letting her go in blind.
Tell me if I hurt you.
I will. I'll be very vocal. How's this party going for you?
It's going good. I mean, it's taking a little bit longer than usual. That's fine.
Okay.
I'm also just trying to get makeup perfectionist, making sure, you know, on either side we're even. Okay, now I'm spraying her hair because I'm gonna start gelling it down and stuff like that. Personally, I always get my hair wet a little bit damp before, just because it's easier to smooth it down, especially if you have thicker hair and like curlier hair. It's just easier to style when it's wet, so you don't get like, if you want like a sleek look.
Wetting is a must.
Yeah. Well, she think I'm gonna fail at this. I'm gonna kill it. But
I don't think you're gonna fail. But I'm just interested in what the final part. I don't know what you're gonna do. It's a rule in the natural hair community, you don't detangle dry hair.
I wasn't even gonna attempt to tangle it. That's a whole other video.
I know.
We should make this a common thing, like my white friend does my hair.
Yeah, wait, we're gonna have several videos of you doing like different stuff. Next time, tell me when you're between nails so you can braid my hair. Yeah.
Honestly, I think I really feel like I could do like a ponytail install. Like if
on me?
I think, I'm like, honestly, bro, I'm like 95% sure I could kill that. Like where you wrap it and you glue it, I could kill it.
You know, I've seen those where it's like the braid and then you
wrap it. Yeah. I really think
I love those videos.
I could do that. So I think I'm just gonna end up detangling your hair, honestly, because
I'm like purposely not trying to give you all the tools.
That's setting me up to fail.
I just want to see like
what I could do with what I have. Before everybody comes for me, I am starting from the bottom, okay, and I'm working my way up. Their products are too thin for me. Like, I know, like, okay,
too thin.
I feel like I prefer thick products. I feel like it just hold my hair better. It may weigh down my hair, so like it's probably not as curly as it could probably be, but I just feel like.
So you one of the white girls to be taking up all the black products, and that's why they sold out.
Girl, you see how many times I actually... No, every time I try to go to the store, everything is sold out.
Well, that's because all the black people and all the white people are using the ethnic products, and the regular aisle is just fully stocked.
First of all, you don't even know what products I use.
I don't. Well, you were telling me you use Diva Curl. Okay, what else do you use?
Yeah, Diva Curl's at Ulta.
I've never used it.
Well, I don't use it. Honestly, I'm just really enjoying this.
That was really good. I haven't had someone do my hair in years.
Just to update everybody, I'm gonna start putting gel in her hair, but I'm gonna do it layer by layer. It's crazy because I feel like your hair is not detangled, like not like fully detangled. And it's like...
Girl, you just gotta do what you gotta do. It's gel time.
You're putting gel in. Put all your little
hairs that I cut off.
They're about to be edges now.
That's some thick edges.
The clench.
Really funny.
This girl hurts her hand after a while.
I know. Imagine how tired we are.
I use a spray bottle too.
But not this much. I feel scrunching.
I didn't.
I feel scrunching.
I did not. Your hair's just really long.
I know. You weren't expecting that, were ya?
It smells so much longer from y'all. You don't understand. I've known this girl for so long. I've seen her hair go through some things.
Yeah,
okay?
my hair. I used to fry my hair every single. We both fried our hair every single day. That was like the style back then.
Like this is the longest I've ever seen her hair.
As long as my hair's ever been. Well, back in them 2010 days in middle school, all you did when you woke up, flat iron.
Yeah, it was already hot.
Yeah, it was already hot.
By the time your alarm went off, it was already hot.
Both of our hair was fried.
I literally am so obsessed with this. Just watching when you pull it down and watching them like shrink up.
And when they go back up, they bounce back.
Ah.
Okay, so we're gonna wait a few minutes and see.
Like 10
yeah, and we're gonna see what the final product is gonna look like.
I will say, doing like her edges was hard because she actually never does her edges, if y'all didn't know. Too, so that was a little difficult. Just like her hair texture was hard to get it to slick down, especially like the gel. We don't have edge control. We only have like a wide
regular gel.
We have regular gel.
Regular.
And like these are the two tools I'm working with. So I think if we had other tools, maybe some edge control would be a little bit better. But I did what I could, and I think it's good for what I could work with. So.
We'll see.
A few moments later.
So
here we
go.
go.
Take off the scarf.
I haven't really seen it yet.
Low-key, it's not that bad. Are you gonna look?
Okay, you know what?
Look at the sides.
You know what?
Look at the curl. Like, we'll turn around, show them the back, the front.
Can you see it?
Look it.
Stiff what? Does it look good?
It looks good. Damn.
Can you see them? Curls looking juicy. Waves on swim. Wave check. Final thoughts.
So what would you rate it?
I would rate it
1 to 10. So okay, first of all let's compare it to rate it just on its own in general.
Okay. On its own, I'll give it an 8.
Oh wow, were you shocked?
I'm a little shocked.
It's not bad.
I'm not bad at it.
Got to work with. It's really not bad.
What do you mean? What you got to work with?
Like, okay, they didn't have the brush that I wanted, and we didn't have edge control.
That's true. This is what my curls usually look like. So I would rate it 8 out of 10. And I feel like this is really close to like my normal wash and go look.
I dig it, y'all.
So subscribe so that you're notified for more videos with Emma, because I think we're gonna do more of these.
We're gonna do more different hairstyles.
Yeah, for sure. And I'm thinking we're also going to switch hair routines. So I'm gonna have to do everything that she usually does on me, and she's gonna have to do everything that I usually do on her hair. So if you want to see that, subscribe so you'll be notified when it comes out, and we will see you next time.
Yeah, bye.